Hi YouTubers. So I have a review for a smart lock. I want you guys to see. This thing is awesome. It works great. It adds to all my devices in my house that are Wi-Fi right now. So let's get to the video and I'm sure you're going to like it. Hi everyone, Captain Mark. Today I'm going to do a review on the August Smart Lock with the Connect Wi-Fi bridge. This is a really neat device. It's a wireless deadbolt for your house. Now, as my house is becoming more and more smart, using all the Wi-Fi devices, I'm going to do a lock now. And in this review, I'm going to explain to you about the lock, demo of installing it. Then we're going to hook up it to the Wi-Fi system and see how it works. And let's do a little walk around on the box and see what it says. Take total control from your door anywhere. Lock and unlock your door. Grant keyless access and keep track of who comes in and who goes out. Control your guest access. You can send security keys to your guests, friends, and family who you trust so they can gain access. Auto unlock. Auto unlock when you arrive and unlocks the door as you approach. Never fumble with keys anymore. Enable auto lock and never worry about the door being locked again. Your voice, tell Alexa or Google Assistant to lock or unlock. Check the status of your front door. So let's take a look and see what's inside the box. It's under here. This basically tells us where to go to get the app. Here we have the door sensor that tells you when the door is open or closed. That's nice. The adapter brackets, it looks like, for the lock to attach with your existing deadbolt. And this is the Argus Wi-Fi bridge, which we'll use to connect to Alexis or Google Home. Pretty simple, plastic on-off switch with a receptacle plug. And the lock, we'll take a look at this. Nice quality. Nice quality. And here's the adapter plate that mounts on the back of the door that replaces your deadbolt on the back with a handle. I believe we open these up and we slide in the adapter and there it's locked in place and mounts on the door. This is nice. It's brushed nickel. Nice quality to it. I'm seeing and I'm thinking it pushes out. There we go. And there's our batteries right there. There we are. And there, it turned on. You heard it turn on. And we'll put the cover back on it. And there we go. Nice. You can take control of your front door, side door, back door with the Argus Smart Lock. It attaches directly to your deadbolt, so you don't have to use any keys. The Argus lets you securely lock and unlock the door from phone or anywhere. You can set the Argus to automatically unlock when you arrive and lock when you leave. Argus works with Alexa, Google Assistant, so you can unlock it and unlock it whatever the status you want by your voice. Argus lets you control access to your home, grant unlimited digital keys, valid for a few weeks and a few hours and a few minutes, whatever you prefer. Complete with the Wi-Fi bridge, which connects to your lock to the cloud so you can use voice commands. Okay, so let's go to the installation and see how easy it is to install. It says it only takes 10 minutes and you only need a screwdriver. So let's check it out. I'll set it up so you can see me install it on the back of my door. Like so. There's one screw. I'm setting them on the ground here. This will come out. There we go. And I'm going to pull this off. So this type has the, I don't know if you can see that, has the square one. Now, to make this work, we unlock it from the deadbolt, pull our plate out. So I'm going to slide it back through like this, and basically pull the lock back through. And in here, come on, bad boy. Got to center the deadbolt. Tighten it down. Adapter that fits with that type of lock. Hopefully this works. Yep, it's a green one. Okay, so now we align it up with what we have. And we push down on the lock. Push down on our other lock. There, secured. See if our deadbolt works. Yep, deadbolt works fine. Now that it's hooked up, we're going to try and see how it works remotely. We'll have to install the program, and I'll show you that. And I'll show you how to connect it to the Wi-Fi system. Okay, found my lock. I'm going to call it this. You can upload a picture of your house. That'd be kind of cool, but I don't really have one right now. Continue. All right, it says choose which house you want to add this lock to. I did. Mark's house. Continue. Register your lock to the house. It's registering right now. We'll see how it has to register. Okay, updating. Lock update in progress. And I heard the lock click. The update is done. This is really quick. Okay. Please press start when you're ready to calibrate your lock. Door is in the locked position. Okay, door is locked by hand until the door is fully unlocked. It's calibration. Calibration is complete, it says. Okay, setup is complete. Add the bridge. Yes, we want to start. Before you begin, make sure your phone is connected to your Wi-Fi in your house, which I know it is. Okay, and it's plugged in. The bridge is plugged in. We saw the green light. Congratulations, your lock has been set up successfully, baby. Okay, there's my front door. It says it's unlocked. I click the button. It's locked. I love it. I love it. I heard it run back there. We'll go try it out, and I'll show you what it looks like here. Hold on. Hey, Google, can you lock the door?
Okay, requesting the lock front door.
There we go. That is perfect. I love that. So that's my review on the smart lock with Connect Wi-Fi bridge, so you can use it with Alexis and Google Assistant. Also with Nest, it's Wi-Fi. You don't have to use any one of those. You can just use it off your phone. Easy to use. I'm going to give this a Captain Mark's 5-star review for the simplistic installation and how easy to use to set up on the app. It's seamless. So if you think the information I gave you was useful in possibly purchasing this smart lock, I'll leave the link down below, and you can get it on Amazon for $162.92. Also, if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and of course the bell to the right. Again, this is Captain Mark saying thank you for watching.